Have you ever taken the perfect photo, only to realize there's one annoying thing ruining it? Maybe it's a random person in the background, a distracting object, a logo, a wire, or just something you wish wasn't there. Well, what if you could literally paint over that object and make it disappear in seconds? Today I'm checking out a tool called Cleanup.pictures, and honestly, it's one of the simplest AI photo editing tools I've tried. Let's see if it's actually as easy as it looks. Have you ever clicked something and gone, wait, that's it? That's exactly what this tool does, and I'll walk you through it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're exploring Cleanup.pictures, an AI-powered photo editing tool designed to remove unwanted objects, defects, text, or people from your photos with just a few clicks. No complicated editing software, no layers, no advanced Photoshop skills. Just upload, brush over the area you want removed, and let the AI do the rest. So let's jump in and see what it can do. Honest. Most people don't want to spend 30 minutes learning professional photo editing software just to remove one tiny object from a picture. Maybe you're working on social media content, product photography, marketing visuals, travel photos, creative projects, or personal memories. In many cases, a single distracting element can ruin an otherwise great image. That's exactly where Cleanup.pictures comes in. Instead of manually cloning, masking, or retouching, the AI handles the heavy lifting for you. And judging by the before and after examples shown on the website, the results can look surprisingly natural. A closer look at what the tool offers. Simple, brush-based editing. The editing screen is incredibly easy to understand. You can adjust the brush size and simply paint over the object you want removed. In the example shown, the user brushes over part of a mirror reflection and the AI instantly removes the selected area. This makes the tool approachable even for complete beginners. You don't need any editing experience to get started. A useful feature visible in the editor is the zoom functionality. This allows you to zoom into specific areas of your image and work on smaller details more accurately. If you're removing something tiny like a blemish, a wire, or a small background object, being able to zoom in is a huge advantage. Feature here is obviously the AI itself. Instead of simply deleting pixels, the system intelligently recreates the surrounding area to make the edit look natural. The before and after examples on the website show objects disappearing while the background remains believable and clean. That's usually the difference between a quick edit and a professional-looking result. What I noticed is that Cleanup.pictures isn't limited to one type of user. The website highlights several use cases, including photo retouching, creative agencies, real estate imagery, e-commerce visuals, artwork cleanup, and developer API integrations. So whether you're editing personal photos or integrating image cleanup into a larger workflow, the platform seems flexible enough to support different needs. Also an API section that allows developers to integrate Cleanup's image editing technology into their own applications. This is a nice addition because it shows that the platform isn't just targeting casual users. Businesses and software teams can potentially automate image cleanup workflows directly inside their own products. Talk about pricing. According to the pricing section shown on the website, there's a free plan available. There's also a monthly plan starting at around $3 per month and a pro plan at around $11 per month. The Pro option highlights features such as higher quality output, faster processing, and additional capabilities compared to the free version. As always, pricing can change over time, so it's worth checking the website directly for the latest details before signing up. What stands out most to me is how focused this tool is. A lot of AI image editors try to do everything. Cleanup.pictures takes the opposite approach. It focuses on solving one specific problem and makes that process extremely simple. The interface feels clean, the workflow is easy to understand, and the before and after examples do a good job of showing what's possible. I can definitely see why creatives, marketers, photographers, and casual users would appreciate a tool like this, especially when you just need a quick edit without opening a full professional editing suite. Cleanup.pictures looks like a fast and beginner-friendly solution for removing unwanted objects from photos. If you've ever wanted an easier way to clean up images without dealing with complicated editing software, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.